Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have this Dell Latitude 3410 laptop. This laptop is not getting charged, so this charger also working fine. We'll check once the power port is perfectly working or not. Let's open the laptop. So here we'll open this hinges. Inside the hinges only this power port is there. We'll just replace the power port and we'll check once. So this is the power port. We'll just remove this power port cable. This is the old power port. We'll just replace this once. This is a new one. This is a new power port. So we'll just connect this and we'll check once. It is fixed. So the cable is fixed now. We'll just fix this hinges here. And now, without fixing the back panel, we'll open the laptop and we'll check whether the power port is working fine or not. This is our charger and we'll connect here this one. You can check this. This is working fine now. Actually, this power port is gone, so this laptop is not charging. We have replaced this. Now it is working fine.
A few moments later.
Now the laptop is turned on. So you can check here the issue was solved. This is charging properly now. You can check this. So we'll fix this panel. Now we'll shut down the PC. And we'll fix this panel now. So we'll just fix this. The laptop is fixed now. We'll connect cable once. Now it is working fine. You can check here. The laptop is working now and it is getting charged. So for more videos, like, share and subscribe.